Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of the Logitech G510 gaming keyboard. This is for my new build I'm doing, and as it's brand new, I thought I'd do a review on it. Not brand new, but you know, the update of the G15. I would thought I'd do it. So there we go. Slice the side. Just give you a little run through of what it's got on the box. We have game panel LCD, custom backlighting, integrated USB, audio, and then on this side it says the tools and intelligence you need to win, and that's in 2 different languages. On the back there's a big amount of writing. Monochrome LCD provides your game stats, voice over IP data, media information, performance, blah blah blah. Custom backlighting, personalise it with your own kind of colour, whichever you like. Massive spectrum on there. Integrated USB audio, 18 G keys you can program yourself. Full speed USB with multi-key input, and game desktop mode switch to stop you from pressing the Windows key in the game, making it all spaz like it does. Okay, let's crack on with the unboxing. So as we get this box out, we find a box within a box. So there you go, unboxing done. Let's get rid of that. Okay, and then we have one of these lift up panels, and then there's a keyboard straight away. So there you go, unboxing done. Okay, so I'll give you a quick run through. Just pop that. There we go. We have the keyboard itself, as well as the USB jack in its little pocket to protect it. Has a little end cap on there just to protect the USB. Nice little feature. Try and get it back on one-handed. It's not going too well at the minute. Let's do it two-handed, much easier. There we go. So we have a nice long cable, looks to be 2 meters or so. Before we go over the actual board, I will just show you the other things that are in the package. Getting started with the Logitech G510. Lots of different things in here. So yeah, getting started. It's quite a thick manual for getting started, but getting to know presentation, important information. This is regarding warranty. And then, what do you think? I've got one of those in another one. And the G500. Drivers for the G series, throw it away, get the latest off the Logitech website. Okay, shit. A little bit of Linus tech tips there for you. Good advice, that is, Linus, I have to say. Okay, so under this bit here, you lift up to reveal the armrest. Okay, and that's it for the box, I believe. Yes, that is all. Let's get rid of that, and then bring back the keyboard. Okay, so on the rest here, it's just a normal cover, nothing flashy. Logitech logo there, which has got a little protective cover over. I'll leave that until I've finished the build, because I might make a bit of a mess. Scratch out before I start. Okay, so then we have another bag over this. Keep away from children. Warning. Okay, same again, we've got a little cover on there. There's the back there. Okay, so on the top we have a microphone and headphone input, and nothing. Unlike the G15, there is no USB. on this one. Okay, so left to right we have the G keys, 18 of those, and then you've got three different classes, so that's a total of not good at maths for people. 36. There you go. You have your switch, lifesaver switch that is. Just stop this button down here. Dreaded button. Mute microphone, mute headset, mute microphone, and then here's your screen. This button here controls the menu, and then you've got up, down, select, and back, and things. You've got a settings button here which will bring it up on the computer. Then your lights for caps lock, scroll lock, and number lock there. Then you've got your media player, so start, pause, stop, back and forwards, mute button, and then your volume scroll wheel. Nice little feature. Normal keypad, normal keys, everything else is the same. WASD there. But it is a nice looking keyboard. Okay, get you a view of it there. I'll just put the bottom on here, so all it takes is just a little snap and it's on. So that's that there. So that's everything guys, so thanks for watching the unboxing and stay tuned for more videos. Cheers, bye.